If we handed you $5 right now, what would you do with it? Most people would grab a coffee or scroll Amazon. But here's the truth. $5 a day can change your life, if you know how to use it. In this video, we'll show you how to turn just $5 a day into thousands of dollars over time. This isn't hype. This is real. And anyone can do it, even if you're starting from zero. Let's start with the big question. Can you really build wealth with just $5 a day? Yes. But not if you treat it like pocket change. If you treat it like capital, like fuel, everything changes. Why $5? Because it's low enough to feel manageable, removes excuses, it builds consistency, which beats intensity. The key is not the amount. It's the habit. To make this work, we follow a simple three-part strategy. Save it. Invest it. Multiply it. Let's walk through each step. Step 1. Save it automatically. First, you need to remove friction. Set up an auto transfer of $5 per day from your checking to a high-interest savings account or investment app. Use tools like Wealthsimple, Questrade, Tangerine, or even a simple no-fee savings account. Label it Wealth Fund, not Emergency Fund, not bills, wealth. By saving $5 every single day, you're putting away $150 a month or $1,825 per year. In 5 years? That's over $9,000 saved, before it even grows. Step 2. Invest it wisely. Now, we grow it. Instead of letting it sit in cash, start investing that money into index funds like the S&P 500, ETFs, low cost, diversified, or even fractional shares of top companies. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned 7 to 10% per year after inflation. If you invest $5 a day at an average return of 8%, after 10 years, you'd have over $27,000. In 20 years, you're looking at $71,000 plus, from $5. And here's the secret. You don't need to be a stock expert. Apps like Wealthsimple, Mocha, or Questrade make it automatic and beginner-friendly. Step 3. Multiply with skill. Now, let's level up. You can only save so much, but you can earn infinitely. Once you build the $5 habit, challenge yourself. How can you create an extra $5 a day? Ideas. Sell something you don't use, offer a $5 gig on Fiverr, monetize a skill for just one client, flip an item online. Even if it's small, you now have the mindset of a builder, not just a saver. And that shift? That's where real wealth starts. This isn't just about math. You're building discipline, confidence, and momentum. $5 a day sounds simple, and it is. But when done intentionally, it's transformational. Think about it. $5 a day becomes $150 a month. That becomes $1,825 a year. You invest it, it compounds. You build skills, and that income multiplies. You do this for years, and your entire life changes. Common excuses, and why they're lies. I don't have $5 a day. You probably do. Look at daily coffee or snacks, unused subscriptions, takeout, or food deliveries. Cut one habit, redirect that money. Another excuse is, it's not enough to matter. Yes, it is. If you had started 5 years ago, you'd have thousands right now. Small amounts, done consistently, beat big intentions every time. Another excuse. I don't know how to invest. YouTube is free. You're already here. Apps guide you. Index funds are beginner-proof. Start learning with your money, not just reading about it. The $5 per day challenge, start today. Let's make this real. Starting today. Set up an automatic $5 per day transfer. Choose an investing app or savings goal. In 7 days, you'll have $35 saved. In 30 days, $150. In 1 year, nearly $2,000. Now imagine 3 years from now, when you're not just saving $5 per day, but also earning $50 per day on the side. That's how momentum works. If you're tired of waiting for someday to get rich, start with $5. It's small enough to start, big enough to change your life. Comment below. Are you in? Type, "I'm starting today," and make the commitment public. And if you want more no-fluff ways to build real wealth and break free from financial stress, subscribe to First Million. We post every week. Let's build.